Hello again, I'm Joseph J.S. Moore and I'll perform task on algebraic expressions or operations involving radical. So, the steps for adding and subtracting radicals. First, simplify each radical. Combine those terms having the exact same radicals. Combine the coefficients or the numbers or terms in front of the radical and the like radical doesn't change. Say for example, problem 4 square root of 12 plus square root of 75 is equal to 4 square root of 4 times 3 plus square root of 25 times 3. So here it goes, 4 times 2 square root of 3 and then plus 5 square root of 3 is equal to 8 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 3. So 13 is square root of 3. This is our final answer. So letter B, steps for multiplying radicals. So here are the rules. Multiply the terms that are on the outside of the radicals. Multiply the terms that are on the inside of the radicals. The product should remain under a radical and simplify the radical. So say for example, 2 square root of 3 times 5 square root of 8. So 10 square root of 24 is equal to 10 square root of 6 times 4. So 10 times 2 square root of 6. So the final answer will be this, 20 square root of 6.